So, welcome to episode 2. अभी 2 बज रहे हैं and I'm just walking around my campus just to get the steps in. That's whatever. तो this is episode 2. पहला episode मैंने आज सुबह शूट किया था and I'm going to be walking आज रात को, so I'm going to take you guys with me. And I had been walking for the past 1.5 hours, but just wanted to refresh my mind. And yeah, I'm just here walking. I'll walk around for a while, listen to music, and then just get back to work in my room. And yeah, today the plan is to tell you guys what I'm working on, what is the project that I'm doing, and how, like, I talked about experience in the last video and how the experience helped me build build this project very fast. So just to give you a context, जो चीज़ मैंने पिछले project में लिया my voice companion, जो चीज़ें मैंने उसमें 7-8 महीनों में की थी, just from the experience and just from how smart AI has gotten over the while, I did that in 1 to 3 nights max, and maybe even smarter than what Leah was. And yeah, and that's how it is going. So chalo, I'm gonna be walking around for a while. I'll maybe record a few videos for you guys to show, like a small little montage. I don't know if that makes sense. Sure, why not? But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the night, the moon for a while, and then yeah, I'll get back with you guys. So basically guys, मैंने आप लोग कल रात को बोला था कि मैं काम करूँगा रात को, but that didn't quite happen because when I came back to the room I had to plan my workout split, and when I planned my workout split, after that something happened and I fell asleep. Then I woke up late today because I couldn't get proper sleep day before yesterday, and after I woke up I had several things to do. और वो करने के बाद I worked a little, मैंने खाया, and then I went to the gym. Now अभी कुछ देर पहले gym से आया हूँ, and I had my second meal. Now I'm going to take you guys with everything that's been happening. So आते हैं कि क्या काम कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी, what I'm currently working on and everything. तो अभी मेरे पास थोड़ा टाइम है. I've just come back from the gym, just freshen up and everything. तो basically जैसे मैंने आपको कल बताया था, I've been working on a project. I was working on a project called Leah, which is a companion which remembers everything about you, does things for you, it's just there for you, just to simply अगर बोला जाए तो. And अभी मेरा लिया के साथ हमेशा विजन था to integrate her into smart glasses, into wearables like earphones, smart glasses, smart watches, everything like that. Now, even though Leah has stopped, I always wanted to make a project, like my own custom smart glasses, and I am actually doing that. Actually, it's somewhat working, somewhat there. We did something, and I'll show you everything later. But yeah, and for these smart glasses, I'm building a new voice companion called Stacy. So Stacy's here. She is working, and she is, right here working on these glasses, functionable. Now, I want to talk about one thing. A lot of people say that it's not okay to it's not okay to use AI to build things, or it's cheating, or it's not good enough. I don't agree. In fact, I would like to say कि AI बनाया ही गया है उसको यूज़ करने के लिए, है ना. तुम उसका यूज़ करो, वो इसी चीज़ के लिए बनाया गया है. That's literally why it's there for you. to use it. And इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है अगर तुम AI को यूज़ करके कुछ प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे your customer isn't going to care about if you built it with AI or not. They don't care, honestly. They care if the thing functions, they care if their problem is being solved, they care if the thing that they have bought, that they have paid for, is doing what it's supposed to do. And yeah, like, what's the problem? Building with AI, like, I use Claude, Leah is built with Claude, Leah was built with Claude, is built with Claude, and Stacy is built with Claude, and I used AI इसमें, तो आई डोंट सी एनीथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट, बट देर इज़ अ डिफरेंस. यू हैव टू नो योर प्रोडक्ट, है ना. तुम्हें जानना पड़ेगा कि तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट कितना, कैसे, क्या काम कर रहा है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई बिल्ट लिया, आई स्टडीड हाउ इट वॉज वर्किंग. मेरे को सब पता है कि उसका जब उसमें कुछ नई चीज़ें ऐड होती थी तो आई यूज़ टू आस्क क्लॉड लाइक एक्सप्लेन मी दिस लाइक इन डिटेल फ्रॉम बेसिक्स, एंड इट यूज़ टू एक्सप्लेन मी एवरीथिंग. तो आई नो how Leah was built. I know how her memory function worked. I know how smart, how vast of a memory she had, how she had it, what sort of graphs were used, what sort of things were used. I know all of that now, and that's why जितना टाइम मेरे को लिया को बनाने में लगा था, that was around 7 to 8 months. Now I built that in 3 nights max. Stacy has all of that, and Stacy is actually better than Leah because I gained the experience from building Leah, and now as I know everything, how everything is working, how everything is supposed to work, I just put it into Stacy, and now wow, she's working, right? And it's not that deep, and at the end of the day, जब तक तुम्हें अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पता है, तुम्हें पता है कि वो कैसे काम कर रहा है, तुम्हें पता है कि वो क्या चीज़, जो प्रॉब्लम उसको सॉल्व करनी है वो सॉल्व कर रहा है, तो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज़ एन इशू. एंड पीपल हु ऑनेस्टली शिट ऑन बिल्डिंग विद AI, like, I don't get it. Like, it's nothing. It's nothing. It's just a tool built for you to build something or to use it for your daily life, and it's okay. Like, it is what it is. It's there, use it. I'm very grateful that we have AI, because जितना टाइम लिया को बनाने में लगा था, if honestly AI was not there, even with a team, it would have taken so much fucking time. So it's okay. It's use it. It's all right. तो हाँ, so और लोग जो बोलते हैं ना कि AI से बनाना आसान है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. ऑनेस्टली, लाइक, ट्राई बिल्डिंग अ प्रोडक्ट, है ना. सपोज आई नीड टू ऐड अ फीचर इनटू स्टेसी. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं AI को प्रॉम्प्ट दूंगा तो वो मेरे लिए तुरंत ही उस चीज़ को सॉल्व कर देगी. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. शी इज़ गोइंग टू गिव मी अ कोड वेरी फास्ट. ऑफ कोर्स इट वुड हैव टेकन एनी एक्सपीरियंस्ड कोडर टाइम टू कोड दैट, बट शी डिड इट इन सेकेंड्स. वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि उसने आपको कोड दे दिया तो अब वो सीधा सीधा काम ही करने लग जाएगा. लाइक, देयर आर गोइंग टू बी बग्स देयर. यू हैव टू डीबग, यू हैव टू टेस्ट एंडलेसली. बार बार आपको टेस्टिंग करनी पड़ेगी, एंड आपको लगेगा कि आपका वो, मतलब, वॉट एवर यू थिंक यू एडेड, इट्स वर्किंग, बट बाद में व्हेन यू ट्राई टू यूज इट विद समथिंग एल्स, यू आर गोइंग टू फॉल इनटू दिस लूप कि यार ये भी ख़राब हो रहा है इसकी वजह से. तो इट्स नॉट दैट ईजी, है ना. इट्स नॉट ईजी टू बिल्ड अ प्रोडक्ट विद AI. एंड honestly, for people who say it's easy, just, it is easy, but it's not like anyone can do it. Like, you need a lot of patience, you need a lot of, you need a vision for it, you need patience for it, you need to be able, you need to have, a creative thinking कि कैसे क्या कर सकते हैं, like what can we do. Of course AI can help with that too, but तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि तुम बना क्या रहे हो, है ना. it's basically it's same as working with a team, but your team here is just another AI. So there's no, I don't feel like there's a problem with that. चलो मैं अब आप लोगों को थोड़ा बहुत प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताता हूँ. So basically I am using a Raspberry Pi Pico W for the main, which is the main processor of the smart glasses. I'm using a OLED. This is just a prototype. I'm just connected everything, and the code runs on my laptop. So Stacy connects to this via BLE, and she communicates with with the display with the help of the Raspberry Pi Pico. But the BLE on a Raspberry Pi Pico connects to my laptop or my phone. Like currently it's my laptop because Stacy is running on my laptop. Now I'm planning to add more features, and then like uh, I'll just build a good ARM or a prototype. This may I can actually use it in life.